Hello there, and welcome to 3H Pool Villas. In this open property tour, we will be showcasing you one of our very beautiful 3-story semi-detached home with a private swimming pool. Tucked in a gated and guarded neighbourhood, there are 52 units of pool villas surrounded by bungalow, link bungalow, and garden villa within the same gated neighbourhood in Tropicana Indah. Ours here in the 3H is the larger plot with 4 cars accommodation. Although priced competitively within the Tropicana neighbourhood, these pool villas are built with a modern contemporary living lifestyle in mind. Let us show you what it's like living inside. This is a semi-detached that emphasizes a larger interior space for either the bigger family or for more entertainment spaces. This property also features a study room, family hall, and 7-bedroom, which is enough to keep your in-laws happy. Well, over here we have our pantry kitchen overlook our formal dining, and this space connects to our very own Asian kitchen round the back. I always love one of these. And well, I hope that you like the place. If you enjoyed this space as much as I do and have always wanted to be a part of the Tropicana Golf and Country Club neighbourhood, this Saturday and Sunday, Bumbung.co is delighted to host you an open property tour, 11 AM to 3 PM. Remember, it is this 8th or 9th February, 11 to 3 PM. Looking forward to see you here.